Hey guys, it's YoungMindHS here, back with another video, and today it's just going to be a quick video about how to fix the black screen error for Darwin project. Now what you want to do is right click on Darwin project, properties, local files, browse local files, then go to easy anti-cheat, anti-cheat setup, yes, and then repair service for the Darwin project. Now, if this doesn't work, go back to Steam, right click on Darwin project, go to properties, general, set launch options, make sure you have nothing in here, then enable Steam overlay off, and then verify integrity of game files. Then you should stop receiving the black screen errors and you should be good to go. But anyway guys, if this video helped you out, leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in this kind of thing, then subscribe. And if you have a friend that's suffering with this, or they've got similar problems, definitely link them to this video. Anyways, for now, I'll see you soon.